Okay, so this is program number 7. We are going to ask the operator here to enter in a letter, and we're going to tell them whether it is a consonant or a vowel. And if it is a vowel, we're going to tell them what vowel they have entered. So this is going to use a whole bunch of if-else statements. So nothing new, just more practice using if-else statements. So this is what our program will look like. So let's get into it. So we are going to start off by doing a console write. Enter a letter we're going to ask them, and then we're going to convert that into a character variable. So we're going to call that variable letter as a char or character. So we're going to parse this entry into a character. Now, one weird thing with when we're dealing with characters, remember we put an apostrophe around characters. So let's start off here. So now we're going to say identify letter. So if we have if letter is equal to an A, the lowercase a, or letter equal to capital A, then we will say we're going to output you entered the vowel A. Okay, so that is our first option. So that's an if. Let's follow that with an else if for the letter E or capital E. If we have that, we're going to say they entered E. Else if they entered I or capital I. We'll say they entered I. Else if they entered O or capital O. I'm going to say O. Else if they entered U or capital U. That's going to be U. And we're going to consider a Y a vowel, I guess, in this one. Call that one Y. And then our very last one, this will end with an else, no condition. So we get rid of that. We just say else you entered a consonant. All right, so there's a whole bunch of different options there. Let's run this and see what happens. I've been using the same header. I haven't been creating a new header for each of these. You have to create a new header for each of yours, though. Make sure you do that. So let's put in an A. You entered the vowel A. Very nice. Let's enter a capital K. You entered a consonant. Very nice. You enter a capital E. You entered the vowel E. So that seems to be working. Okay, so that's basically just another example of a whole bunch of if-else statements. All right, so pack that up. That is program number 7.